Well, hi there. So let's look at this question. Here we need to find the value of k if x equals 2 and y equals 1. Well, the given equation is the following. 2x plus 3y equals to k. Well, it's always a good habit to write the equation in the standard form if it's not in the standard form. Well, actually it's not in the standard form, so when you write it in the standard form, you will have 2x plus 3y minus k equals to 0. Well, if you look closely and compare it with the standard form, you will notice that the value of a is defined, the value of b is defined, but the value of c is k, right? This is what it's asked in the question to find, this value of k for the given pair of values x has 2 and y is 1, which is the solution of this equation. So you can actually think of this k as a parameter or just kind of a regulator, like you have a regulator for your fans, the ceiling fans that you have, right? You can regulate the speed, you can regulate it on the top speed or on the second, third or fourth, whatsoever the speed levels are there. So you can change the speed of the ceiling fan, right, with the help of regulators. Like kind of the same analogy here, you can relate it in a same fashion, that this k is like a regulator, a parameter by which you can actually change the very definition of this line. Okay, but for the given pair of values, that is 2, 1, for this given pair of values, what will be the value of this k, the specific value? That is what is being asked. So let's quickly substitute these values, that is replace x with 2 and y with 1 in this form of the standard equation. You will have the following. Then we can simply go ahead and just do the algebra part, calculate and solve for k. You will see that the value of k that you are getting is 7. So now this equation has the value of c being defined as 7. So it's 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. So guys, this is the equation which will get satisfied for the given pair of for the given pair where x is 2 and y is 1. Like you can think of whole lot of many values of k. Like this same thing can be written down as 2x plus 3y, let's say minus 1 equals to 0. But you can check, quickly substitute and check that 2, 1 will not be satisfying this equation. Instead, it is satisfying this one, right? So yes, I hope you're getting this idea that for given point, which will actually be the solution of this straight line. So in other words, this point is actually on the path of this straight line from where this line happens to pass. So for that, what is the value of k that we evaluated as 7, and the standard form would also change like the following. So yes guys, the final answer would be that value of k is equal to 7. So I hope you understood the concept and this question.